Hi everybody, I'm Kelsey with AIA Beauty Bundle, and today you're gonna get ready with me as I go through and use all the products in the Best of Beauty Beauty Bundle. In this bundle, we put together some of our all-time favorite products in beauty. You'll be getting amazing products from brands like First Aid Beauty, Ardell, Glow Recipe, Beauty Creations, Invisibobble, and AIA Beauty. And the best part is that you can get all of this for only $35. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna use the Invisibobble Scrunchie Duo, which is essential when getting ready because I always like to tie my hair back before I get started. These scrunchies are so nice because they have spiral hair rings inside, which prevents hair damage or creasing your hair while it's up. It's also way more comfortable than any normal elastic hair tie. Not only does this hair tie have amazing grip and is super comfortable, it's also so cute. Next up is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This moisturizer has won awards. It's seriously so good, and it's gonna be yours in this bundle. This cream gives you intense hydration and helps repair dry, parched skin. It even temporarily relieves minor irritation due to eczema or other skin irritation. As it gets colder out, my skin gets super dry, so this is literally gonna save my skin. Speaking of moisturizer, I'm gonna be moisturizing my lips with Glow Recipe Glow Lip Pop Lip Balm. This is a lip tint, balm, and a scrub all in one. You'll be getting it in the shade Blueberry Bounce, and it also smells amazing just like blueberries. This will also leave the prettiest subtle berry tint to your lips. This has a no rinse scrub to balm formula, and it hydrates your lips like no other. I did all of my face makeup off camera, so now I'm getting ready to put on my eyeshadow using the Beauty Creations eyeshadow palettes. Not only are you getting one, but you're gonna get 2 eyeshadow palettes from the Murillo Twins collection. Briana's eyeshadow palette has 12 stunning matte and shimmer eyeshadows. I'm loving all the warm neutrals and soft pinks in this palette. Brittany's eyeshadow palette also has 12 stunning shimmer and matte shadows. This palette contains more cool tones like purples and blues. And look at that silver glitter. Next, I'll be lining my eyes with the AIA Beauty Liquid Liner. This eyeliner is super black and has a felt tip, which is nice for easy application. This is one of the most opaque and longest lasting eyeliners that I've ever used. Last but not least, we're gonna be using the Ardell Flawless Tapered Luxe Lashes. These are highly textured with tapered ends and has the perfect bold and voluminous look. I love how fluttery and flirty they are. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today, and if you guys wanna try any of these amazing products, be sure to subscribe and go to AIABeautyBundle.com. Thanks for watching.